How to find Discord token 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the Discord token from Discord. So for that you have to close the application and open a web browser and sign into your Discord uh, account, and after that you have to click on the browser three dot from here, and as you can see there's a option called more tool. You have to click on that and select the developers tool from here, and after clicking on that, as you can see there are multiple options and you just have to look for the local storage. As you can see it's already selected. You just have to click on here and expand it and select the insider options, https discord.com. You just have to click on here and you have to make sure you have to look for the mouse. I have the cursor I have moved, and you have to click on here and make sure that it's clicked, and after that you have to go to the filter option and search for a token from here, and then you can see there is the token, and you can just select the token and copy it and paste it and use it as you like to use the token for, and that's it. That's how you can get the token from Discord. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.